Hey guys, Tim Brewster coming at you from Train Boston, powered by Forever Strong. Today's tip is going to focus more on our baseline of core strength relative to golf. If you hear anything I write about core power, you're going to always hear me talk about this X power, this cross power that we talk about. If we think about our two hips and our two shoulders, I want you to think about this big X pattern running through my body, from this hip through this shoulder, and this hip through this shoulder, making that nice powerful X. Connecting those hips, connecting those shoulder blades. That's where we want all of our rotational power to come from, with a nice neutral low back. Meaning we want our shoulders and ribs to have a good power turn, and we want our hips and pelvis to have a nice power turn, but we don't want our low back getting wrung out. We want those to connect to a nice stable back. So one of the drills we're going to pick today, we're going to pick a nice stretch band. I'm going to only take a half-inch stretch band. If you go too crazy on this drill gets quite hard. Okay? We're going to basically step into the stretch band. How about in the middle sneaker? Actually, I took the inch band. This is the hard one. So I'm taking the hard drill here. This is basically going to be a nice X power stabilization pattern. Notice, I'm making the letter X with my body from a side view. I don't want to see myself back bending or shrinking. I want to maintain that height, long belly through the hips, nice and stable through our core. Okay? So basically, this is going to be our X-band power. Look for my next drill. That's going to come up with my X-band rotation coming up in the next week.